Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 24th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Delusion as Obstruction to Truth. Swami, your insights.
The entire human experience is a delusion. True freedom is found as identity shifts from a mental material to a spiritual basis. The caterpillar is given up for the butterfly.
Looking for the truth that liberates false beliefs? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya